All right, here we go. Day number 2.
So Craig, what are you doing?
What do you mean? What am I doing?
What's on our agenda for today?
Okay, so we put in a 1992 wiring harness to upgrade the speed density to what they call MAF, which apparently cannot be done with an 88 with a 1992 harness. So we have a 1989 harness that will work with the 88 existing plugs to make it MAF.
How much did all this wiring cost you so far?
We don't want to talk about that.
No, we're good.
We'll do that to reveal at the very end if we make it home, and yeah. But
so,
yeah.
Yep, so here's a new wiring harness that we're going to snake through.
This is wiring harness number 3, because the first one was cut, but I got my money back for that one.
Okay, all right.
But yeah, so I'm going to electrical tape this, make it all nice, kind of like this section here, and then we're going to put it in the car. That's the plan.
That's awesome.
All right. Get to taping.
And I got my coffee.
Yep.
And I have it on the roof.
And if one layer of tape doesn't work, 2 never would.
Only one.
So our goal today is get this thing fired, right? More than anything. That's our goal.
That's what I want to do.
You know, if we get really, really motivated, maybe we'll try to get both cars firing. But
and then we're going to pull the front end off.
Yeah, then this, we need this all for the intercooler.
Yeah.
So we're going to jump on this. At some point, we are going to finish the back tail light.
Yeah, that should be.
Yeah, but we'll swap up. I'll do the back tail light maybe. You could do this.
That's fine.
We'll figure it out.
Actually, you could do your oil because it's not windy right now. I would suggest you doing that.
Yeah.
Because the wind kicks up a little bit.
Well, this is going to be ready in a second. I got to go in the car.
Yes.
I'm the only one that fits.
I could
comfortably.
throw a Twinkie in there.
I don't know. I don't know if you're going to get past. We're going to have to push this out in order to get you in that door now. That door doesn't open all the way anymore.
Yeah, I know.
So
that's when I was getting in there myself with the car in, I had to bring the car like all the way over to here.
Yeah.
To get the door open.
I gotta tape one other part of this where the guy put the aftermarket tack in.
Yep. All right. This is why we like Arizona cars. Because besides a little bit of dust, this thing is brand new underneath. Road grease, but not a lick of rust. All right, what are we doing with that ratchet strap there, Kevin?
All right, so it's got to go through the hole here.
Down there.
So what I did was I actually wrapped it around the stud here, around here, and then back here. This will not fall off, and this will actually pull straight. You know, I pull from the neck because this will just go like that. So this is the correct back desert style wrap. Not backwoods.
And this is going to go nice and quick, and we're not going to see you guys 3 hours later. I'll start looking for this.
You just screwed us.
We were working on something else in 3 hours.
We'll figure it out.
God.
All right, I'm going to go in the car. All right, so here we are like Neo from the Matrix, but she's in. And it only took 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Now the fun part, where I am totally clueless as to what's going on up here. All right, ideally, if you're going to be driving a car cross country, you want to be putting it together rather than taking it apart. But we need this all for the intercooler and all that good stuff. So I think we have to remove the crash bar. We're getting some instructions right now. And start lining it out. We're still trying to get it fired today. Craig has been diligently working on this wiring harness that is just Japanese to me.
Not really doing a plug, but
yeah.
Pro charger.
Nice laminated installation manual.
That's for you.
Yeah, I'd read that, but I don't read automotive.
Oh.
So we're gonna dive into this book and start looking at this front crash bar. How you making out over here, Craig?
All right, I'm trying to figure out what this guy wants me to do. There's a certain jumper wire that I got to do in this harness.
It's in that harness?
It's in this harness, so.
Okay.
It's either the first 2 on this side or the first 2 on this side, but I'm not sure. So. Not the nut. I'm not taking it out of the bag yet until I install it.
Yeah, we'll call that guy.
Yeah, but I got a picture.
Are you all clipped in on this side?
Yeah, we're
we're at the end, right?
A couple of things here, yep.
All right.
Yeah. We're getting close.
Meantime, we're going to play Operation Headlight Swap over here because now's the time. And that's take all of 15 minutes. So let's jump on this shit. Sometimes you just got to be careful because you don't want to be able to stick your finger underneath this. Yeah, not a good time. So this wasn't the plan, but just by sheer happenstance / luck, we have this donor car here for the someday Trans Am drift car. And this actually has a part on it that I need. So I'm gonna get back here, pull out this windshield washer fluid reservoir, because mine is cracked to shit. And looks like the same size. Should be. Typical master cylinder out here in Arizona. So I'm gonna get on this. You know how people are always losing their 10 millimeters? I think I see one right down there. Oh, we're gonna get her.
Fancy stuff.
Ooh. Nice.
Yeah, relay, wiring. Nice.
So what are we waiting on to try to fire this?
I gotta put a battery in it. And
Okay.
I want to double check everything.
All right.
I'm not doing it in the morning. We ain't doing it today. I ain't gonna rush it.
Okay.
I'm gonna start fresh tomorrow.
This we just picked up the injectors, but it's getting kind of late, so they're not gonna go on today either. We're gonna keep working on this windshield washer bottle, because there's our old one. And we may have had a mouse living in here. Maybe. So we're gonna get this cleaned out. He ain't living in here no more. All right, so it's getting a little late in the day on night 2, and we decided the 60-pound injectors.
Not such a great idea.
Yeah.
Without a race pack tuner or something similar.
Yeah. After everybody talked to 2 different tuners, they said,
Yeah.
they pretty much said, good luck, let us know how it turns out. So,
We honestly tried the safe step. Because we know we're going to put horsepower to this thing. Major horsepower at some point. But for the ride home, this 60-pound injectors probably aren't a good idea.
yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's going to be rough.
So here we are,
times.
what, we pulling the intake off again?
Yeah.
Well, we're also going to pull the washer bottle out. So
We gotta suck this dry.
Oh, you can do it. Slap your lips on it. Didn't you learn how to do that, Shane?
I'm not gonna go with the old gas method where I put a hose in there and suck until I drink some, and then
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Let's work on this up top.
Yeah.
So,
We are. I got everything.
Everything's loose. We have most everything disconnected
I'm on
again.
break for 5 minutes.
I say again because this would be the second time that we're Kevin's second time.
Red?
Yeah.
Call
Yep.
me Red.
Whatever.
I'm on break after my 3-hour windshield
been a
washer
long
bottle
day.
debacle.
But it has been a fun day. And yes, the your windshield washer was definitely more of a pain in the ass than I would have anticipated.
Yes, yeah. It's in the past. All that work for the line was broken anyway for the pisser, so it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Well, you know what? It looks better.
Yeah, I mean,
It looks good.
I'm just gonna give Craig a bottle of water, or a gallon of water, and just let him get in front of me. Throw it on my windshield. Wiper should work. Don't know.
I
I need a sleeve
Day 3, both cars are firing.
Like 7-Eleven cups, and I'll just whip it out the window.
Yeah, day 3, they're both firing.
I think so. I feel confident. Tomorrow is the day.
Yep.
Both of them.